Making this animation is much simple. Here is exactly how. I'm Puzzle and you are watching the Snow Studio, so let's build the animation. Add a plane, select the two front vertices and extrude forward. Keep each extruded equal distance. Draw out a low poly curve shape, then make it slightly zigzag from the top view. Select all head, Ctrl B to bevel. Now add a loop cut along the length, right in the middle to divide the mesh in half. Select these pieces, duplicate and separate by selection. Now dissolve all edges with Ctrl X to make it one clean piece. Extrude it up to make a cube shape, then bevel edges, and now add some more geometry for smoothness. Go back to the long base mesh, select the middle edge loop, duplicate it and separate by selection, right click and convert it to a curve. This becomes your animation path. Now add a lattice. Scale it to wrap around your cube. And the lattice properties set resolution to 8 on U, 8 on V, and 1 on W. Select the cube first, then the lattice, Ctrl P and object cube transform. Your cube is now controlled by the lattice. If the mesh looks distorted, that's non-uniform scale issue. Select the lattice and apply a scale. Then add a Shrinkwrap modifier, set it to target, normal project, and set the target to your base plane. Select the lattice, go to bone constraints and follow path. Set the target to your curve. Now moving the lattice on the x-axis, slide it smoothly along the path. Move it on x-axis and keyframe it, and your animation is done. One question, what should I animate next? Drop it below. Subscribe if you want to see it there.